The POCO X8 Pro series will become official on March 17th. The POCO X8 Pro rebranded Redmi Turbo 5. The POCO X8 Pro will allegedly have a 6,500 mAh battery, support 100W wired charging. The POCO X8 Pro has been spotted in the Geekbench online database. It managed a single-core score of 1,708 and a multi-core score of 6,297. It's powered by the recently unveiled MediaTek Dimensity 8500 SoC paired with 12GB of RAM and run Android 16. The X8 Pro to come with a 6.59-inch 1268 by 2756 AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and 3500 nit peak brightness, a 50MP Sony IMX882 main sensor, an 8MP ultrawide, and a 20MP selfie camera. POCO's official website for Belgium mistakenly uploaded pricing information for the yet unannounced POCO X8 Pro and POCO X8 Pro Max. POCO X8 Pro go for €399.90 with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The model with 512GB of space will be priced at €449.90. 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage and will be priced at €479.90. Moving over to the X8 Pro Max, this one starts at €529.90 with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and it goes up to €579.90. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.